This is a carbonara, the Buldak noodle. Sweet noodle, very classic, a little spicy, but it's a soup base. This is a very spicy. Well, not like a nuclear spicy, but it's a pretty spicy. If you want more spicy, you can put more of these, like a nuclear sauce. That's what people calling this. But before you use it, shake well. And seasoned seaweed, and I really like this guy. I'm a big fan of you.
I think the noodle is almost too crunchy. Be careful.
Okay. Here, I'll get one fry in the noodle.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll quickly finish this.
No rush, no rush.
That's carbonara. The cream powder and the spicy sauce all together. So you might feel like a little bit of cream cheese-ish, but it's almost same taste like the
Oh,
yeah,
okay,
the first
okay.
one. Yeah.
That's good.
It's good.
But I do like the spicier more. Yeah. I do like the spicier more. Crunch is there. It's delicious.
4.5 star. We actually boil it and then we deep fry it. Yeah, so that way you have like a really extra crunch.
Extra. That's
Yeah.
why, because I was wondering, it's a little bit more crunchier than I'm.
Yeah,
No, that's really good though.
It is.
That's really good.
It's a lot of work. I'm not chef.
Noodles. Oh no, there's noodles.
The fries in Korea, the one of franchise, they're selling like seasoned fries. That's what they call. But it tastes like that. Like I just like, oh, it smells like it, tastes like it. Well, anyway,
Wow.
what's it?
Mmm.
Right? You know what I mean?
Wow.
Yeah.
Yep. Favorite so far. This one's the best
Yeah,
one.
I think so. Like a lot of people they don't. I haven't seen people making this one at the YouTube, but a lot of people do make this one.
This one.
Especially Australia. They're I think one of the top selling it. But
Oh,
yeah,
Australia?
yeah. Their food culture is incredible.
I think I did see that on Facebook.
Yeah, I think that's Australia.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's literally just a shop for this.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, yeah, I've seen that video. I've seen that video.
So you like which one you like the best?
This one's the best.
The sin noodle.
This one's the best. It goes 1, 2, 3.
Okay. The last one is the carbonara.
Yeah.
Do you think you like it with a little bit spicier?
I'm not gonna lie, I thought I was gonna be burning my mouth.
Yeah, but I think it might be too spicy.
Yeah.
But then you put just a little bit, you can try a little bit too.
Yeah.
And then you get at the part where the sauce is. I know you can eat spicy, but just don't eat too much, just little.
Yeah, just
Yeah,
oh.
that's okay. I
So
can
sorry.
clean that.
I'll take the 2 spiciest ones first. Here, since you're recording, I'll put a little bit more too.
Okay,
A
you
little bit
sure?
more, just like this. Like that. Boom.
Let's see.
Perfect.
Better? Better?
Yeah. I still like that one the best.
Okay.
That's why I got when I'm not eating.
That's fine.
More flavor, and you just enjoy it more. I don't know.